All right, Vangabonders, we got the project quite cut out for us right here. We got to cut the nose off of this bus because we're giving it to Mike Hicks, who is the one that gave us this bus in the first place. And then our good old friend Brandon, who gave us the roof off of the other bus, is going to take the rest of this bus off to his compound of many buses. So let's get to work. Let's get this fixed up, and welcome back to the channel. Who was I to think that those would just come off easily? Oh, okay. Yep. Let's not forget about the window. We got to get this windshield out. All right, this should just come right out. Some might say I'm a professional. All right, back to the doors. Don't forget this little pin. It's important to take off before you unbolt your doors. Ask me how I know.
Previously on 24.
Oh, shit. I forgot to take out this thing. How does that come out? 1, 2, 3. These are actually expensive. This is gonna fall on my foot. 4. Focus on the vein. All right. Pablo. Y Pedro. Anybody need a door? It's time for some sawzall action. And we're gonna sawzall this like if it was a vehicle in a junkyard, because I ain't got time for that. I know where I'm gonna cut it. Excuse me. Extension cable time.
Hi, Akiva. You say hi to the people? Hello.
Like butter. Like butter. I seem to have bent my shaft. That's ready to fall once I cut the other side. Those should be free now.
Oh, no.
So the plan is use chains to lift up the back of the bus, because we don't want to use a jack, and then pull it or something. You don't even know how to use a bucket, do you? We learned today. A little bit. First time operator. He's free though. Pull with your right hand in. Everybody scoop in. Yeah. Now lift, Johnny, lift. Lift. Lift, man. Put your blade down, Johnny. Put the blade down. Put the blade, Johnny. Put the blade down. There you go. Now lift. You're gonna lift it. Oh, hold on, Johnny. It worked like a charm. Yeah.
How's my hair?
Looks good. All right. Scientific.
back there and turn the wheel.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Perfect.
And there she goes. We done did it.